So hello again classmates. So for today's video we're going to fix how to solve the problem of this project reference. So let me just show you what is the problem on here. So I'm going to click this one and then at project reference this error pops up. So it says Microsoft Visual Studio Interop blah blah blah, could not find an instance. So in order to fix this one, we just click OK. First exit your Visual Studio just like that. Then go to your File Explorer. So I'm going to click my File Explorer and then go to this PC, to your PC, and choose local disk C. Go to this program files times 86. So I'm going to click it and then look for Microsoft Visual Studio. So this one, and then 2019, and then so I've installed the community version here. So if you install the professional or enterprise, it's all the same, just select it. So I'm going to select it just like that. And go to this common 7, select 8, and then IDE, and then look for public assemblies. So this one, public assemblies. So in here, in this folder, we add the Microsoft Share Interop package. So in order to do that, we need to copy the path. So just click here. So the path is already highlighted, just copy it. So right click, then copy just like that, and then go to your window and then search for developer prompt. So this one, choose this developer command prompt for Visual Studio 2019. Make sure you run it as an administrator. So I'm going to click this one, run as administrator, and then I will open it. So I'm going to wait for it to load. Okay, just like that. So as you can see here, the directory is ends with the community. So we need to change the directory. So here type CD, stands for change directory. So CD and then space. So in here we paste the path that we copy earlier. So Control V, just like that. So this one, and then hit enter to run it just like that. So the path is already navigated. So next thing we need to do is we're going to add command here. So this one, so I'm going to put this command to the description of this video. So just explore it to my description. So I'm going to copy this one. So just like that, and then copy and then add it in here. So I'm going again to Control V, just like that. So I'm going to run it. So I hit enter and then it says assembly successfully added. So it's successfully added. So we're going to close this one and then reopen your Visual Studio. So I'm going to open again the project. So open. So my project is already open. So I'm going to add again project reference. So I'm going to my Solution Explorer here and then right click this project and then add reference, this one. So here you can now add assemblies or any kind of projects that you want to add to your project. So that's all for the tutorial. So the process that we done is already working. So If you find this video helpful to you, please subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Thank you for